Okay, so here we are programming keys for Jeep Grand Cherokee. Okay, it's this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Programming the key. Here I'm creating universal key from the auto universal keys. The auto. This universal key from Auto, I put XP 400, I generate the key. I hope it's gonna work. Just gonna take a few seconds more. So once I generate the key, I can try it. And there is already working key, as you see, but it's broken. So we have the new key here, it says the completed. Completed. Exit. Now I don't need this anymore. I hope it's gonna work. Exit. Everything exit until we get into okay. Finally, yes. Want to exit. Okay, now we go to emo. Accept, and then we go for G. Okay, and then in here we'll do. At first, I'll put the lights on, and I'm gonna put the key on the run, so the screen. Okay, this thing is on the run. That's the screen. It's better if I get inside and close the door. Okay. Getting inside, closing the door. Okay, here's already the locksmith. Now we're gonna get automatic selection. It says you have learned key, turn the ignition on. Yes, we did. Read the VIN number. Okay, that's the VIN number. Press OK. Okay, it says we found the Grand Cherokee 2015. I said okay. Then we'll do control unit. Now first we need to read the password. I do first. Reading the password. It says turn off the ignition and put the hazards on. We already have the hazards on. I say okay. Says 1 to 10 minutes to wait. Hopefully it's gonna be 2 seconds. Sure the engine is stopped. Okay. Okay, somehow it doesn't go there, but we'll see without the ignition. Oh, communication starts. Okay, I needed to put the ignition off. Now it's off, and now we're starting communication. Just need the windows down, it's really hot inside. That's crazy. And then while it's doing this, I'm gonna put my XP400 together for the next one. While we're doing this, communicating with the car, everything is great for now. Well, we need the PIN code. Make sure my telephone is connected. Now I'm gonna put the XP400 here in my little bag. That's where I keep it. It needs to be always protected. And then I put it in my bag with all my universal keys. Still learning. Where's my phone? Oh, it's here in my hand. How can I forget? Yeah, it takes forever, but hopefully it's soon. It's already 73. Okay, for now, yeah, Jeep Cherokee should be great. And so what we need to do is to press buttons and until it catches the frequency. Okay, let's see what's going on. Usually it takes less time to do all this, and it takes forever today for some reason. We'll continue till it's done. 6 minutes. 6 minutes video. Okay. Communicating. Oh, there's the password. 3280. Remember this password. Okay, I do okay. We're taking it out. Go and exit. Keyless system. Says key learning. Key learning. Says need to erase keys first. I said yes. That's the password. 3280. Remember this password? They're asking me again. Yes. Now it's gonna ask me to press buttons. So it says hold the proximity start button, complete procedure within second. Okay, I have to hold it here and do it within 16 seconds. So it says establishing, so continue pressing. Okay, lock and unlock. Continuously pressing, lock and unlock. Okay, somehow I don't hear anything, but it could be in the end. You never know. So I'll wait till it comes to the end and what it's gonna say. Looks like it didn't catch, so we're gonna do another one. No, it's learning failed. Okay, we'll try another one.